Welcome back to CarScope, the ultimate channel for car enthusiasts who crave the latest updates, reviews, and insights on the most exciting vehicles hitting the road. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Volvo S90. A luxury sedan that's redefining Scandinavian elegance, cutting-edge technology, and sustainable performance. Volvo has always been a brand that blends safety with sophistication, and with this new S90, they've taken things to an entirely new level. At first glance, the 2026 S90 instantly commands attention with its sleek, minimalist design. The signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights have been refined, giving the front fascia a sharper, more confident look. The redesigned grille now carries a subtle chrome finish, while the aerodynamic lines along the body make the sedan look both elegant and athletic. Volvo's design language has matured. It's bold yet understated, perfect for those who appreciate class without shouting for attention. The rear is equally stunning, featuring new taillight graphics and a more sculpted trunk design that completes the car's premium presence. Step inside, and you're greeted by one of the most serene interiors in its segment. Volvo continues to prioritize craftsmanship, using genuine materials like Napa leather, open-pore wood, and aluminum accents. The 2026 S90 features a massive 14.5-inch vertical touchscreen, running the latest Google-based infotainment system, with seamless access to Maps, Assistant, and countless apps. The fully digital driver's display offers crisp visuals, and a new head-up display ensures you stay focused on the road. But what really stands out is the cabin's tranquility. Thanks to advanced noise cancellation technology and improved insulation, every drive feels like a peaceful retreat. Under the hood, the new S90 comes with a range of powertrains. The highlight is the plug-in hybrid model, which combines a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with a powerful electric motor, delivering a combined output of over 450 horsepower. With an electric-only range of around 60 miles, it's perfect for daily commuting while still packing serious performance for long journeys. The power delivery is smooth and instant, while the refined suspension setup ensures a balance between comfort and agility. Volvo's new dual-motor setup offers all-wheel drive capability, giving the S90 incredible stability in all conditions. Safety has always been Volvo's strong suit, and the 2026 S90 pushes boundaries with the latest in driver assistance technology. It features Volvo's next-generation pilot assist, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, collision avoidance, and even hands-free highway driving in certain regions. The car's sensors, cameras, and radar systems create a 360-degree safety shield that constantly monitors your surroundings. Overall, the 2026 Volvo S90 isn't just another luxury sedan. It's a statement of responsible performance and Scandinavian perfection. It offers elegance, innovation, and environmental awareness, all wrapped in one beautifully engineered package. Whether you're a fan of luxury, tech, or sustainability, this car is built to impress on every level. So what do you think about the new 2026 Volvo S90? Is it the perfect blend of style and innovation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting reviews from CarScope, where every drive begins with passion and precision.